Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Deadlock continues on Lokpal. Opposition supports Anna's bill, demands voting after discussion on the issue. Ruling party says no voting. Discussion expected on Saturday. Anti-corruption crusader rose all over the state. Dr. Salkar criticizes BJP on Jan Lokpal. Goa comes up with a new song for Anna. Principal Sessions Court grants 14 days judicial custody to Atala. Atala says he jumped bail as he feared for his life. Maharashtra Governor K. Sankara Narayanan given additional charge of Goa. Tenure of Dr. S.S. Sidhu comes to an end. And Dilip Sardesai Sports Excellence Award presented to Bhakti Kulkarni. Woman Grandmaster Bhakti overjoyed after winning the prestigious award. And now the news in detail. 3 versions of Lokpal bill will be taken up for discussion on Saturday. But the deadlock still continues on whether the issue is a matter of discussion or of voting in the House. BJP has supported Jan Lokpal bill by favouring voting on the issue. However, Congress is not in favour of voting after the discussion. Anna is under immense pressure to withdraw his fast, but he is defiant till 3 of his demands are resolved in the Parliament.
The decision of discussing 3 versions of Lokpal in the Parliament was finalised on Thursday. The breakthrough was in sight. It was speculated that Anna would break his fast on Friday. But the deadlock continued. No notice was given in the Lok Sabha till Friday afternoon to discuss Lokpal. On the contrary, Lok Sabha turned chaotic during 0 hour. Rahul Gandhi's speech on Lokpal invited brunt of the opposition. He opposed Anna's mode of agitation and stressed that Lokpal alone cannot eradicate corruption. He also presented his own solution to the problem.
The Lokpal institution alone cannot be a substitute for a comprehensive anti-corruption code.
Friday was the 11th day of Anna's fast. Anna wrote to PM Manmohan Singh reiterating all his 3 demands: Lokayukta in states, Citizens Charter and entire bureaucracy under Lokpal. He will break his fast if these 3 demands are met.
कि इन बातों पर संसद में यदि सहमति होती है तो मैं अपना अनशन तोड़ दूं। मैं मेरी जनता के साथ तब तक रामलीला मैदान में बैठा रहूंगा जब तक बाकी सारे मुद्दों पर संसद में निर्णय नहीं हो जाता।
BJP has blamed the UPA government for this turbulent situation. BJP has extended its full support to Jan Lokpal. Opposition leader Sushma Swaraj has forwarded a notice under Rule 184 demanding discussion and voting. Arun Jaitley has also issued a similar notice under Rule 168, the Rule 193 of the Constitution, under which Congress MPs have moved a resolution, allows only discussion and not voting on any issue.
2:10 पे आप फोन करते हैं कि 2:15 पे संदीप दीक्षित के एक नोटिस पर चर्चा प्रारंभ हो रही है। इतना बड़ा विषय, इतना संजीदा विषय, उस पर इतने कैजुअल ढंग से निर्णय और इतने कैजुअल ढंग से चर्चा।
Except UPA, almost all opposition parties have supported the Jan Lokpal bill. Anna's decision on breaking his fast is expected on Saturday. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Anna Hazare's movement has gripped Goans. The support of youth is remarkable and overwhelming. India Against Corruption is observing chain hunger strike at Azad Maidan. MGP is also camping at Azad Maidan for Anna. Activists in Goa have come up with a unique song for Anna.
अन्ना अन्ना कहते हो फिर अन्ना से क्यों डरते हो?
अन्ना अन्ना कहते हो फिर अन्ना से क्यों डरते हो?
पगड़ी वाले होकर भी तुम टोपी से क्यों डरते हो?
पगड़ी वाले होकर भी तुम टोपी से क्यों डरते हो?
MGP leaders and members agitated at Azad Maidan on Friday.
ह्या फुडल्या विधानसभा जेन्ना येतली तेन्ना आमी ह्या गोंयांत लोकायुक्त बिल सादर करपाचे सरकाराचे निश्चितपणे धडपड आसतले.
India Against Corruption activists are observing chain hunger strike at Azad Maidan.
लोक पयलो सुप्रीम आनी लोकां फाटल्यान पार्लमेंट. कित्याक? पार्लमेंट is not a an artificial entity created in the world. A parliament is created by the people, for the people and with the people. जोरी तोरे 5% भितर सरकारान हांगा हाडलोलें पडतें आमचे सगळे रीण काबार जाता आसले आनी आमकां आनी रडपाक गरज नासली.
Dr. Shekhar Salkar, senior journalist Ramnath Desai, and a number of freedom fighters and students were present at Shivaji Maidan in Bicholin. Dr. Salkar criticized BJP for their stand on Jan Lokpal.
Actually, I am very ashamed that I was an active participant of Congress or BJP. कार्यकर्ता म्हणून आशिल्लो म्हणून म्हाका सांगपाक लागलो सद्या लज दिसता. I think this was a time for BJP to come above everything and support Anna wholeheartedly.
Slogans and anti-corruption speeches echoed in Margai Panchayat Hall. Students organized a rally and later a candlelight march was held.
हांव जाहीरपणे सांगता हे सगळे करप्शन करपी आसात तर आज हे राजकारणी परिषदेचे आमदार मंत्री सगळे
Youth participation has been outstanding in this moment. We witnessed it again in Vasco.
दूर करो भ्रष्टाचार दूर करो अन्ना तुम आगे चलो हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं.
Murgaon MLA Milan Naik participated and addressed a rally at Sada. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Israeli drug peddler and the prime witness in police drug mafia nexus case, Atala has been granted 14 days judicial custody by the Principal Sessions Court. Surprisingly, CBI did not seek his custody for interrogation. In turn, they stated that they would take his custody whenever the need arises. The CBI team brought Atala back in the state on Friday morning. Atala says he jumped bail as he feared for his life.
CBI team returned after taking Atala's custody from Peru in North America. He was interrogated at CBI's headquarters in Bamburi for almost 6 hours. He was produced before the principal session judge for remand. Court has given 14-day judicial custody to Atala. Surprisingly, CBI did not seek Atala's custody and stated that they will interrogate him whenever need arises. Atala has apologized before the court for jumping bail.
What do you say? I say people follow me and people, no police, people follow me, you write it like how we say, correct, people follow me and I fear to my life and this is the reason I jumped the bell, that's all.
Atala is one of the crucial witnesses in the police drug mafia nexus case. His video was exposed by his former girlfriend Lucky Farmhouse. 7 policemen were arrested in this case for their alleged links with drug mafia. Atala was arrested last year in March. Atala got bail in June and escaped in last August. He was arrested in Peru in January this year. It was only after tremendous pressure by the media and opposition the case was handed over to the CBI. Atala is also facing trials in other charges pressed against him by the Goa police. Our reporters Basuri Desai and Surendra Madkaikar with special correspondent Arvind Tengse and video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar for Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.